Welcome to Artificial Intelligence, Data Monetization, and Product Strategy podcast, where I explore the powerful intersection of artificial intelligence and data monetization. I'm your host. My name is RX Kuza, and I work as a consultant. I solve various business problems, and my tools are machine learning, data analytics, and structured thinking. In today's episode, I will look into the exciting world of product management and how artificial intelligence is transforming this landscape, and why data monetization should be a top priority for every product team. Before I dive in, let's set the stage with a quick overview of the product management. Product management, there is no doubt, is a critical organizational function that revolves around the product and its life cycle. From development to pricing and positioning, product managers are the advocates for customers within the organization, ensuring that the market voice is heard and heeded to achieve the product success. At least it should be like that. They work closely with various teams and departments, showcasing their leadership skills and effective communication. Research plays a vital role in shaping business strategy and product ideas. By gaining expertise about the company's market, user personas, and competitors, product managers can develop a high-level strategic plan encompassing goals, objectives, and obviously rough timeline. Once the strategic plan receives approval, product managers coordinate with relevant teams to execute the plan, showcasing their project management skills. Feedback and data analysis are crucial, allowing them to make data-driven decisions and continuously improve the product. In the tech industry, where innovation is rapid, product managers must establish the product's purpose, aligning in with business strategy for market success, but also with stakeholders and investors. To streamline operations, tactical tasks are often delegated to project managers, allowing product managers to focus on high-level planning. And I would highly recommend to be things like that. If you are a product manager and it turns to be that you are also a project manager, that's not good from many different reasons. But that's not the topic of this podcast, so I will not delve in this topic more. Now that we have an understanding of what product management is, let's explore the role of artificial intelligence in shaping successful AI-driven products. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing modern product management, enabling product managers to efficiently obtain, digest, and analyze vast amounts of data. These insights facilitate well-informed decisions and strategic planning, crucial for product success. Let's examine the hard and soft skills that product managers should build to effectively leverage artificial intelligence. AI-powered tools assist product managers in conducting extensive research and collecting data from various sources like market trends, customer behavior, social media, and competitors' insight. By leveraging artificial intelligence, product managers can swiftly identify emerging trends, user preferences, and potential opportunities for customer-centric products. And that, I need to admit, is one of the biggest differences between AI-powered product and non-AI powered product, that you are able to identify and predict trends, preferences, and opportunities for building customer-centric products. Artificial intelligence helps in processing and analyzing complex data sets quickly and accurately with the prediction factor. This enables product managers to gain deep insight into customer preferences, allowing them to tailor product features to meet their needs precisely. As you can guys see, this is important element. Artificial intelligence is not there as a cherry on the top. It's a critical, like a heartbeat part of the body. This is critical part of every product management process to make sure that what you put in the product and it's AI powered will help you to predict preferences, behavior, and things like that to build more customer-centric products. Artificial intelligence also plays a critical role in personalizing product experiences, offering customized product suggestions to individual customers enhancing user engagement and satisfaction. Ethical considerations are critical here, ensuring that AI-powered products are developed and deployed responsibly. As I mentioned in my previous episodes, only 17, as far as I remember, percent of European Union subsidized AI-powered products mention ethical aspect of that. That's wrong. We need to change that and make sure that ethical choices in product management job are not top things on top of everything. They are just critical in every process. They cannot be an add-on. They need to be an integral part of everything. The ability to collaborate effectively with data scientists and engineers is also critical, another skill, enabling product managers to align products requirements with technical feasibility and make informed decisions. As artificial intelligence importance grows, understanding the potential of artificial intelligence in product management becomes a necessity, and I am a big advocate for that. Not only for building customer-centric products, but from ethical considerations and making sure that we are not building black box solution. So every time we and you implement artificial intelligence elements into your product, make sure that they are explainable, that people understand what is predicting, how it's predicting, and how the prediction can influence the life of a customer. That's from my perspective very critical, and I am a huge advocate for that. And now let's explore the role of AI in product management. Product managers are the unsung heroes of successful product launches. There's no doubt. Bridging the gap between product development and market success. They must be strategic, detail-oriented, and customer-focused, collaborating with stakeholders to develop effective product roadmaps. As you can see, a product manager is a very responsible thing, and it's also like a sunlight, it goes in different directions into the organization to penetrate and make sure that alliances and strategic contracts are built internally so the product can be launched customer-centrically outside of the company. Understanding the significance of customer research, product strategy, collaboration with cross-functional teams, and maintaining a well-managed product backlog are essential for product managers, measuring and analyzing product performance, obviously, as well. Data skills are invaluable for product managers, enabling data-driven decisions, understanding customers, and optimizing product performance. Artificial intelligence can predict customer churn, forecast product demand, and offer personalized product recommendations. Data monetization here is critical also. By leveraging AI, businesses can unlock the value of their data, creating new revenue streams through data-driven products and services. If you guys are interested in learning more, I would highly recommend you to visit my rxscusa.com blog. It's rxscusa.com. And then you can find a whole bunch of articles about data monetization. One of them is mentioning that 80% of all assets in companies right now are value as coming from digital assets, 80%. And that's very critical that product managers putting AI in the center of the products are also thinking about monetizing data. I am also explaining on my blog what is data direct monetization and indirect monetization and how to pick up the proper strategy for your product. Highly recommend it if you're in data monetization space. In today's data-driven world, data monetization should be the primary concern, I believe, of every product team. Artificial intelligence technologies enable product managers to transform raw data into valuable products and services that customers are willing to pay for. Data monetization emerges as a crucial skill. Companies can unlock the value of their data by creating new revenue streams. Data monetization involves transforming raw data into products or services, sometimes by listening to customers, meaning analyze the data about their behavior, actions, abandoned carts, churn, and things like that can create a new product. And I'm explaining on my blog also how it's done. For example, a product manager in the e-commerce industry can analyze customer browsing and purchasing patterns, using artificial intelligence tools. Stay with me and I'll mention a couple of those tools ready to go off the shelf, such as recommendation systems to offer personalized product recommendations or targeted advertisements. Here's a list of products I have found very helpful. MonkeyLearn.com offers a suite of AI-powered text and analysis tools. With their platform, product managers can extract insightful information from vast text data, including customer reviews, social media posts, and survey responses. These tools provided by MonkeyLearn assist product managers in comprehending customer sentiment, pinpointing crucial topics, and using this data to refine their products offerings and their product offering through informed decision making. Another tool is Calibridge.com, customer experience management platform that utilizes natural language processing and sentiment analyzing to analyze customer feedback from various sources. All of those tools are off the shelf. There is no sponsor of this episode, guys. I don't have sponsors, and the tools I'm mentioning, I didn't try them or I learned about them enough to make sure that they should be a part of this episode. Speaking about Calibridge, is a valuable tool for product managers to gain insight into customer preferences. Another is RapidMiner.com. It's a data science platform offering various AI and machine learning tools for data analysis and predictive modeling. You can benefit from RapidMiner's text analysis capabilities as a product manager. This tool allows you to efficiently process large text data sets and uncover patterns to generate insightful data. This way, you can understand your customers' preferences and optimize your product offerings to meet their needs. H2O.ai provides an open source platform for AI and machine learning. Basically, you can get insight into feedback, sentiment, preferences, and things like that. Another tool could be Alien. It's AYLIEN.com, which offers AI-powered text analysis as well. I focus on text because I've been working on that issues for a couple months recently, and all of these tools can help you to read a lot about your customers, categorize, understand the sentiments, and then help you make an informed decision about how you can treat your customers when it comes to their complaints and other things. So product managers, guys, need to implement AI-powered data monetization strategies to achieve data monetization successfully. This involves also identifying the data assets within your company, determining their value, and developing innovative ways to monetize them. Please remember that as long as you treat your data as a cost, you're thinking about servers, computing power, disk space, things like that, you are not monetizationing your data. But when you actually start thinking about data as a revenue, that's where the story comes. So make sure that AI tools can assist your data monetization process by providing predictive analytics. For instance, product managers can utilize AI-powered pricing optimization tools like pros.com or Zilliant.com to determine the optimal pricing strategies based on market dynamics and customer preferences. By harnessing the power of AI to analyze and interpret data, product managers can make informed decisions, refine product strategies, and align with the company's vision. So, the integration of AI in product management empowers businesses to make informed decisions, as mentioned, adapt to market trends, and enhance customer experience. By staying updated on the latest AI technologies, product managers can capitalize on this data monetization benefits effectively. So here's the question: how to stay on top of the things? First of all, I would recommend booking like 30 minutes of reading every morning. If you read 30 minutes of the latest product news and AI-powered product management, please keep in mind that you spend like 2.5 hours per week, which is a lot of time if you want to study on that. Then obviously you need to test those tools. Just hire a junior person that will test one software as a service AI powered platform off the shelf ready for you every week. Within a month, you will just learn about 4 new tools. Within a year, it will be 48 tools that you will actually learn. And during your product management process and decision making process, you can define which one you want to use in your product management practice. So those practices, those two routines, I would highly recommend doing. They will stick to you with you for years, which means that gradually you will become better and better by year by year. But now let's have a look. What does it take to develop a product roadmap with AI? A product roadmap, a little bit of the recall, is a strategic blueprint that outlines a product's vision, goals, and directions over a specific time frame. It's a guiding document for product development teams, stakeholders, and executives to understand the product's evolution and align their efforts with the overall business strategy. So, traditionally, product roadmaps have been created through market research, customer feedback, and team collaboration. However, with the rise of artificial intelligence, integrating AI in product roadmap planning has become increasingly prevalent, providing organizations with a competitive edge and fostering information. But the question is how to find opportunities for AI to serve the product and customers. Let's have a look. Integrating artificial intelligence product roadmap planning opens up a new realm of possibilities as it empowers businesses to harness the potential of machine learning, natural language processing, and other AI technologies. Here's the really good example. Instead of building your product landing page and product description page, which is long, a lot of scrolling, top-down going, you can easily summarize that with NLP techniques or other software that is based on large language models and make sure that your customers will spend less possible time on learning on your product features. That's the simplest way you can embed artificial intelligence into the product roadmap. Another thing might be building recommendations of the next features. Instead of using like long-term conference room conversations, you can actually get data insight from your website and like Google Analytics and then use different methods of statistics and artificial intelligence and predict what kind of features should be there available so it will keep your customers satisfied. Another example that I mentioned before is pricing strategy. Just to define the strategy, how much it should cost, the specific element or the specific product part. If you use freemium, you can actually let artificial intelligence to analyze that for you and suggest the pricing level and the tools I mentioned before. That's how you actually do it. So AI is primarily known for its predictive capabilities, allowing businesses to anticipate customer behavior, market trends, and product demand. It's essential to remember that automation only sometimes requires AI. Numerous robotic process automation implementations have incorporated automation without AI. So, however, predictive capabilities are not possible without AI. Every time we think about artificial intelligence, I would highly recommend to think about predictions. Automation can be done without AI, but prediction cannot. So, artificial intelligence can do specific things in your product. First one, you can predict analytics in customer behavior. AI can be harnessed to predict customer behavior and preferences. For instance, an e-commerce company can analyze previous customer interactions, browsing habits, and purchase history to forecast what products a customer might be interested. Next, leverage of artificial intelligence in your product roadmap, anticipating market trends. Artificial intelligence-driven predictive analytics can help businesses anticipate market trends and adjust their product roadmap. Organizations can identify emerging trends and respond proactively. For example, a fashion retailer can leverage AI to monitor fashion influences and social media conversations, allowing them to predict popular styles and adapt the product in real time. Another example in the area where artificial intelligence can change your product roadmap is forecasting product demand. Accurate demand forecasting is critical for inventory management and meeting customer expectations. AI-powered forecasting models can analyze historical sales data, seasonal patterns, and other relevant variables to predict future product demand. This helps businesses optimize inventory levels. For example, a grocery store chain can use AI to predict demand for specific items, like strawberries, during different seasons, allowing them to ensure that they have sufficient stock on hand to meet customer needs. And the last example of how artificial intelligence can enrich your enrich your product roadmap is churn prediction. AI's predictive capabilities can also predict customer churn, which is critical for businesses relying on subscription-based models. By analyzing customer behavior and engagement patterns, AI can identify potential churners and provide insight. For example, a video streaming service can predict which users will likely churn and offer exclusive content or discounted subscription plans to encourage retention. Thank you, guys. That's it for today. Episode of Artificial Intelligence, Data Monetization, Product Strategy. Thank you for joining me. If you have any questions or want to learn more about the topic discussed today, feel free to reach out. Stay tuned for the next episode where I'll continue exploring the exciting world of AI, data monetization, and product management. If you want to learn more, check rxcusa.com. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Take care.